Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S Space again, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful bouncy spring twist at home. And I think I spent the total of about 5 hours doing this, in between having breakfast, having lunch, and just taking short breaks in between. So we spent 5 hours in total. So I'm making spring twist for my sister because she requested for it, and you guys are going to see what she wants alongside in the video. If you're new on my channel, I am Adunni and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you save more and spend less while still looking good. So if you know me, if you're not new on this channel, you know I love to prep my hair, prep my extension. I just like to have everything I want to use sorted out. So basically that is what I am doing in this section of the video. I am just sectioning the hair so I know what I am working with and how I am going to be parting my hair. If you're new on my channel and you're not subscribed, or if you're an OG and you're not yet subscribed, why? Please click the subscribe button below, join the family. We are hoping to get to a significant amount of subscriber, hopefully 2,000 before the end of August, so please join the family. The extension I'll be using for this particular hair is the same one that I used for my micro twist. It's the Kinky Twist Extra Bouncy from Lush in color 1. Guys, I love the quality of this particular extension. It is so nice, it is so soft, very lightweight, and this was me considering the length she wanted. She said she wanted something long, so I just decided to go in, like cutting the extension into 2 basically, so she can have the length that she wanted. Well, and so that I am happy and she is happy. So I'm just fluffing the extension out a little bit so it's easy to separate when she's giving it to me. So I'll leave you guys to keep on watching and I'll be back. So now that I am done with the back section, I'm basically trying to get a center part, which was actually very funny because she has like a dandruff prone scalp, so I had to be very careful. I had to be very soft with patting and all of that because her scalp is actually very soft. Now I am going to show you guys in detail how to start the twist from the roots, because if you notice that I didn't start the twist with extension, I started the twist with her hair because that was actually the style. I think the style is from, I can't remember. So she actually saw the style on Instagram. I saw the style on Instagram and I sent it to her that I wanted to film a tutorial of this style on my channel, and she liked it. So now we are going to go close. We are going to zoom in. Okay, I was trying to get a perfect lightning for you guys. Lighting, not lightning, lighting for you guys. So you're going to start with braiding the hair, and you're going to braid it like 3-4 steps before adding the extension that you're using. And after adding the extension, you're still also going to braid it a bit so that the extension is well attached to the hair. Then you go ahead to start twisting. So this is how I do my own twist. There are other people that do the twist to the other side, but this is how I do my own twist. And let me know if you think this hair is giving, because it is giving as far as I am concerned. So you just want to keep on watching. I shared a closer tutorial, I think 2 or 3 more times if you didn't get it the first time. So just keep on watching. And do not forget to subscribe, please. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of August. So please do click the subscribe button. Share this video with someone that you know will find it helpful. Share it with a sister, with your friend, with your nieces. Okay. So like I said earlier, I love to prep my hair. I love to prep, like I just love to prepare and do all of those things. If this is not your first time on this channel, you definitely know that. So this was the last line and I was so tired. I was having a very bad headache already. I was very tired. So I wanted to know what I had left to do, and I just sectioned it using the previous parts on the other side, and I had to go in, like I had to enjoy and soak in the moments of this last part. So I went ahead to show you guys again how I am adding the extension in case you didn't see it. Okay, don't skip any parts, don't skip any parts. So in case you didn't see it, go back and watch diligently, okay? So this was basically twisting the hair, and of course she was beginning to feel her hair at this point, flaunting and shaking her hair to the left and to the right, because of course I delivered. So after doing this, the only thing I went ahead to do was to trim the tip of the hair, because she didn't want to coil the tip, which I think that makes sense, because the extension is coily on its own, so why coil it again? Okay, but there are still a few people that call kinky, and it doesn't really make sense to me. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? So after twisting the last strand, I went ahead to trim the edges. We were actually both tired, and see. So I went ahead to trim the tips of the hair, and I spray in this water and mint oil to our scalp to just, massage and to actually moisturize our scalp. So basically there's oil in the water. I am spraying mint oil and water on our scalp, and I massaged it in and also applied mousse to the body of the extension for like some extra shine and extra bounce, and your girl is good to go. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you rock this hairstyle, or will you do this hairstyle for someone, or will you actually do it yourself? I absolutely love it, and I'm considering it also, but given the fact that I just took out a micro twist with the same type of extension, I might not do it yet. But this hair is absolutely nice. It is giving what it is meant to give, okay? So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for always watching and rocking with me. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Click the subscribe button, share, and just do all those good stuff, okay? I'll see you in my next video.